Hi guys, Chris here. Today we'll be shooting a 2019 Cadillac CTS with a 3.6 naturally aspirated engine. This will be a video review going in depth about the whole car. Let's get started. This is the 2019 Stellar Black. Check out this car. So you got the nice chrome grills, LED lights. Those are the 18-inch rims right there as well. This is a demo. There's no dents or scratches down the side. It's been really well taken care of. Like I mentioned, that's the 3.6 naturally aspirated engine. There's no turbos, which is something I really like about this car. Also, that's the all-wheel drive. You got a really cool exhaust design there as well. So this car has the technology package, which gives you the bucket, 20-way adjust power seats, gives you a digital dash in there as well. But take a moment to appreciate this fit and finish. You got the nice leather on the door panel with the suede Alcantara, paired with the carbon fiber trim in this car. Looks absolutely amazing. You also have a Bose audio here, which sounds absolutely fantastic. So here are your bucket seats. Really nice material, really nice soft leather. They hold you really well. It's nice you got the carbon fiber carried over onto the center here as well. You have a nice stitched leather dash, really premium feeling. More carbon fiber carried over. Car's in fantastic shape. Here's a little bit of the tech. This is your the Cadillac infotainment system. You got your audio here with the Sirius XM. It's all touch, so there's no like buttons or anything like that. One thing I really like is you can scroll up and down the volume like this using just like that to the side, which is great. Steering wheel is nice leather wrapped, very high quality feeling. You also have these really big paddle shifters here in nice chrome finish, which is really good. You got your cruise control with the advanced adaptive cruise control as well. Heated steering wheel, heats the whole wheel, really nice. Overall, everything has a really premium feel to it. Lots of bling in here as well. You got your heated and cooled seats. You can also change the driving mode of the vehicle. You can see here when you go, you have 3 different modes. You got the Tour, which is like the comfort mode. And then you have the sport mode. Pretty much what happens in sport mode is the steering wheel tightens up. The car also has the magnetic ride control. So what that means is, every about 1,000 times per second, the car will read the road and it'll adjust accordingly. And in sport modes, it will actually give you more of a tighter feel, tightens everything up. You get a little more responsive throttle with it as well. And the steering wheel tightens up and you get a really good feel of the car, and it's really sporty feeling. One thing I really like about the 3.6 in particular, without the turbo, because you can get one with a turbo, the naturally aspirated one, this one in particular, it's just when you give it some gas, all the power's in the higher RPMs. So when you get it up into the RPMs, the car just pulls more and more, and it's quite an amazing feeling. It feels you pulling more. So unlike a turbo car where you just get the pull instantly, I think I actually prefer having the pull in the higher RPMs. When we take it out for a drive, we'll talk a little bit more about that. Some storage here for you as well. You got your driver memory there for the seat adjustments. Let's check out the back, shall we? Very roomy. That's about how I sit when I drive. I'm about 5'8". I like to sit like a race car driver, so I'm all the way up in front of the wheel. But you know, even if you want to kick it back a little bit like the passenger, you still got some good room back there. You also got rear heated seats in this one. You can adjust the climate as well. Some nice pockets there as well. One thing I like is just look at the finish of this door handle right here. Like, that's a nice chrome with the carbon fiber. Looks absolutely gorgeous. They didn't, they carried everything over on the back as well. So you have the nice leather materials all stitched in the back. Nice Cadillac kick plates there. Now the trunk is pretty roomy. It's really awesome. You can fit quite a lot in there. Overall, it's just a very practical car. Very great car. Alright, so that was the 2019 Cadillac CTS. This car is a demo. It has about 4,500 kilometers on it, and with the new CT coming out, this will actually be even cheaper, so making this just one of the best deals you can buy right now for a luxury car. Be sure to reach out to me, send me an email if you're interested, and I'll see you on the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.